welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today, you thought we were missing this, huh? No, it is our snack crate for, actually, this is for July 2022.
Practically vintage.
Yeah, we have canceled this subscription, but they were late getting us the July box, so we went ahead and decided to film it for you. So yeah, better late than never, right? But this will be the last snack crate box that you see from us. So snack crate is a box of snacks that they pick a country from around the world and put in snacks from that country.
International junk food.
Yeah, basically. So this month, or July's month, is from Turkey. So yeah, and look at that. That's beautiful. We went to Turkey on a cruise ship back in like 2006, 2007.
Something like that.
What was it? And we went to several places there that had tiles that looked like this. Yeah. And yeah, it was beautiful there. And yeah, so it gives you some information about the country there. And yeah, we went to the Great Bazaar that was there. It was pretty wild. And it gives you some fun facts about the country. And then it gives you a sheet telling you about all the snacks that are in your box. And yeah, we are going to taste all these snacks for you.
Not only does Turkey span 2 continents, so does Istanbul. It is divided in 2 by the mighty Bosphorus River.
Okay, so what do we have in here? First of all, we have these pizza cracker.
Pizza cracker.
I am not even going to try to pronounce. It's from EPI. So what does the thing say in there?
Crunchy bite-sized crackers flavored with the same zest and seasoning as spices that you would find on your fresh baked pizza. Fairly straightforward.
Okay, so pizza look like pizza slices. So the crackers are supposed to take like, okay. Those are pretty good.
Yeah.
What did you say?
I like pizza goldfish, but not quite as salty.
Yeah, those are very good.
Okay.
Okay, let's try these ketchup and mayonnaise sticks.
That was nasty.
What did they say?
A unique mixture of zesty ketchup and creamy mayonnaise combined to give these crispy potato sticks an undeniable flavor worth savoring.
Okay. That is what they look
You're
like.
on your own on this one.
Oh, come on. I tasted that French pizza. You have to taste this. No,
I'm not a fan.
They weren't that good.
But I don't like ketchup and mayonnaise anyway, so. Well, ketchup.
Well, let's try something sweet. This is the Popcat Mazzullo. I said I wasn't going to try to pronounce everything, but that is what it looks like.
A dessert lover's dream. This soft sweet sponge cake is filled with banana cream and then dipped in rich milk chocolate. So chocolate covered banana Twinkies.
Not going to smell the banana. That is what it looks like. Do you want this?
Yeah.
I don't want to split it.
Oh. You don't want to split it?
I guess. You can have the big one.
Oh boy.
That one was just okay. I like the banana taste in it.
See, I'm not much of a fan in general of artificial banana flavor, but it was alright.
I like it okay. Okay, now we got some Cheetos.
Yeah, some not Cheetos. There's some sweet, sweet international trademark dispute going on here.
Why? What does this say?
This product is not a product authorized by the United States trademark owner for importation and is physically and materially different from the authorized product. Non-authorized mini Cheetos shots. Not approved by whoever it is that makes Cheetos normally. So yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. Can you read about it?
A Turkish spin on the American classic. These little bites feature the bold, cheesy flavor you know and love with an extra snackable shape. Looks like little footballs. Somebody's licensing agreement did not go through.
I look like this.
Yep.
Okay,
Cheeto pellets.
ready? What do you think of that?
And those taste almost exactly unlike Cheetos.
Oh, they don't taste like Cheetos at all. They taste like little corn pops.
Yep. Yeah. Like corn pop syrup.
Except not as sweet.
Not bad though.
Oh, crispy taco. More sticks. Let's see what it has a little taco down here.
Crispy potato sticks featuring a mix of savory, vibrant, and slightly spicy flavors make this snack a spectacular snack for all. Yeah, see what they did there?
Oh, these are a little bit better.
It's sort of vaguely taco flavored.
Yeah. Very lightly flavored.
Yeah. Maybe just a suggestion on taco.
Yeah, nothing here is very highly, like a lot of flavor
Yep.
so far. Oh, it's like the rest of sugar and stuff. Let's see this. What is it? ETI Puff.
Marshmallow biscuit. A crunchy vanilla biscuit is topped with creamy marshmallow and covered with an abundance of fun and colorful candy sprinkles.
That's what it looks like.
All right then.
Okay, he's just gonna have to take a bite of it, and then I'll have to take a bite of it. That had a lot of sugar in it.
Also a bit coconutty.
Yeah, coconutty. Oh, that made it good.
Didn't say anything about that, but whatever.
Okay, so I'm trying to not eat as much sugar. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more sugar items in
I
here.
want some of that.
So I think we're gonna pick 2 more items to try out and then just show you the rest of them. So the next thing we have here is some gummy super belts. Bebeto.
Yeah. Like radiator belts.
Of course he would pick the gummy thing for. I get to pick the next thing.
We had something that was similar to this a box or 2 ago.
Can you read about him?
Bright and intensely sour rainbow gummy ribbons packed with a mouth-watering burst of wildly fun and super fruity flavors. Sugar just raining off of this thing.
That is what it looks like. That was really tart.
Fruity Delts of mighty sugar power.
It had a lot of sugar on it too. Okay, I'm just going to show you these. So that is what these look like. What does it say about them? I just see on here lemon.
Size doesn't matter,
Lemon, apple,
but a
raspberry.
big burst of fruity flavor certainly does.
And
Enjoy
mandarin.
either the tropical or sour version of this delightfully chewy candy. Oh, this is the sour version.
Oh, okay.
I can tell because this has got the tropical one here that's purple.
So those look like little Skittles that you can.
Let me see how sour these are.
Okay. You're supposed to show them what they look like.
They look like Skittles. Not particularly sour, honestly.
But,
a little bit.
Yeah.
And wash that down with another super belt.
Okay, and the next thing we have is a Bitaloo, another thing from ETI. It looks like a wafer candy.
Hazelnut cream and crunchy peanut pieces combined to fill the void between two layers of deliciously delicate and crispy wafer.
So they have that. And they have a Kit Kat Tat.
Somebody wanted it to be Kit Kat, but again, the licensing agreement fell through. Although it doesn't look anything like that, but
No.
who knows?
What does it say about that?
Nothing in this crate screams, "Eat me now!" more than a light, airy puff pastry overflowing with a rich hazelnut filling. I like hazelnut.
Okay, then we have a jalopy, Mr. Crocodile.
Fruit crocodile.
Oh yeah, that's a fruit crocodile.
Don't let this little reptile fool you. One chomp on this soft, chewy, and fruity gummy crocodile, you realize it's so delicious it's scary.
Oh, that's cute.
Is it scary?
And then we have cremini. It looks like some watermelon chews, probably. Can you see?
Sweet, chewy, and loaded with refreshing watermelon flavor. Tasty toffee candy is the ideal fruity snack for a warm summer day.
And then they have these little coffee candies in here.
Need a pick-me-up, but don't have time to hit Starbucks? These delightful mocha-flavored hard candies are bursting with a coffee cream filling.
I think I would like this. Okay, and then this
one says, crush those cocoa cravings and indulge yourself with the perfect combination of crunchy biscuit and creamy chocolate filling.
Okay, and then they always have some kind of biscuit thing in here. This is what I wanted to try. Biscuit cream. Let's see what it says about this.
I just read it.
Oh, I thought you were still talking about the... Read it to me again. I'm
Crush
sorry.
those cocoa cravings and indulge yourself with the perfect combination of crunchy biscuit and creamy chocolate filling.
Okay, so that's what they'll look like. Let's see what they taste like. Those are very good.
That was real good. Fight you. I just want one more. You can have the rest.
Okay, I was saying to him how I want this. I want to have them with my coffee.
Yeah, those would go good with coffee. I said one, I meant two.
You meant two?
Yeah, two.
Okay, and that was everything in our turkey snack crate. What was your favorite thing?
That's pretty good. And those belts. And
or is there anything you're looking forward to eating?
those pizza things aren't bad. And
Oh yeah, the pizza things are really good.
yeah,
These are my favorite things.
yeah, those are pretty good. Most of the rest of it didn't stand out that much.
I'm interested in trying these too. Okay, so that is our snack crate box for July of 2022. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Give us a big thumbs up if you liked this video. Do you have anything else to add, Aaron?
And thus ends our journey through the junk foods of countries around the world for now.
Yeah, so again, this is our last box. And yeah, we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And
overall, I think we learned from this that gummy candy from pretty much any country is kind of the same.
yeah, all the gummy stuff has been the same. If you're not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that we're thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we are doing a live tomorrow night, so hopefully we will see you then. And just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.